Today we will be unboxing the Lazytech Action Pro 4K 30 frames per second action camera. So about a month ago on November, I have unboxed this W8, but this thing is cheap, but you know the quality of the camera is maybe not that low. As you can see, that this camera is now defective. It doesn't work anymore. As I turned it on, the screen won't turn on. It's because that it fell out on the drone, so I just recently buy this new action camera as a replacement for this action camera, this W8. So turn this off. But it's still recording. Okay, there. And this thing costs about 2,099 pesos, as you can see there. It's 2,099. It has a voucher. Its original price is 2,200. Yeah, it's 2,200. So here it is. It has a 16GB strontium micro SD card. Comes with a free 16GB micro SD card. So this thing is only 65 Mbps of writing speed. So I recommended that you should buy this. You should buy this kind of SD card, the SanDisk Ultra, because it is a 80 Mbps of writing speed there than this one. See, this one is 65 Mbps, this one is 80 Mbps. So I will put this in this camera. So here's the 4K 30 frames per second action camera, the Lazytech Action Pro. That's the one, and this is its specifications. So it has a chipset of Allwinner V3 version and Sony 1798 MP sensor and many more of this, that, and that thing. There, it's all mounts for the camera, and it has a 4 colors. That's the one. So its app is XTV or the new app Lazytech, but I recommended the XTV app. Oh, this one has a seal on it. It's good. Another seal? I didn't know that. Okay, I have removed this seal and this seal. Now we're going to open it. And here's the action camera itself. It's completely brand new. There, the Lazytech 4K 30 frames per second. So Wi-Fi version. Okay, so here's it's all inside the box. We're gonna remove that. Here it's all in the box. We have a back case for the waterproof. Put it in here. Okay. Some straps. And they even included an extra battery for this action cam. Wow. Another strap. Another strap. And balance charger. USB cable. Strap for helmet or anything else. It is 2. So this one is for your chest. Another strap. And then another. Another thing. And another some tape. So if you will exchange it, you will gonna need this tape. And this it's manual there. Okay. 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 No, it's in different languages. Some cable ties. Wow, I need more room. Okay, and some cloth in there, and another strap, and another strap, and that's it's all included in the box. Okay, so here's the action camera itself. I have removed the battery case and will insert this battery. Okay, we have inserted it. Okay, so as I have put it up, and we need to remove this thing. Okay, and here's the action camera itself. There. So I'm just gonna plug the filter. And this is the camera photo mode, the slow motion mode, and anything else. And this is the settings. Okay, and this all its resolution 4K. And then it has a 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K 30 frames per second, 1080p, and 720p the slow motion, and that's it. The recording sound, you can turn it on or off. Time-lapse mode, loop recording, slow motion, and back. Photo resolution, 16 megapixel time, auto drama shot. And the exposure settings, white balance, Wi-Fi, image rotation, driving mode, light source frequency, LED indicator light, auto screensaver, and many more. And it has a watermark, English. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna remove this. That's it. And we're going to turn on its Wi-Fi. There. Now we're going to connect it. Now it's searching Action Pro. You need to type its password. Its password is in here. You can see that. Wait, let me insert it. So that's its Wi-Fi password, 123456778. That's it. And we're going to in here type the password, its password. That's it. And after it does connect, so it's now obtaining IP address. And it has now connected. You will download this app on Google Play Store, this XDV application. Select that and select this Action Pro connecting. So it has connected. Okay. And this is all what it can see. And you can control its settings, loop, the media gallery. Okay, that's the thing. There, the video resolution, recording sound. You can control it with this phone. You should turn on the Wi-Fi of this action camera to enable, so you can see it on your phone. So that's it, and I will do a test in this action camera maybe later. So I'll become back. Before I test this action camera, I will do a second video, and the video is about the comparison of these two cheap action cameras, and I think this one is gonna be the winner because it has a chipset of Allwinner V3, than this one it has a chipset of CMOS sensor. That's it. Like and subscribe, guys, and the links is in the description below.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.